Cause no straight man mouth not supposed to sleep. Yeah, one boy I see I walk with butter in your mouth. Butter in your blood clot mouth. Now you not an argument with me over that TikTok. Yeah, cause social media make all out no batty blood clot. Jump. Remember this part in your batty hole.
Alright, so my G-pot is in my batty hole. Who gives a fuck? It could have done my big toe. May I use it? You done stinking pussy bitch. Yeah, me know that video all. But come on, Trep. You're nobody. You're beneath me. You're a piece of shit. You are the piece of shit to touch a breathe first when time I constipated. I'm not then nowhere near a toilet and if shit I rush out of my body. Are you that? Y'all don't know Shower Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. Make sure you sound a like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yeah, so we make a video where the address was, you understand what I'm saying, about the allegations. You see me? And I just make that video for the youths them where, you know what I mean, just exist in the world. And you know, coming from the Jamaican society, anything can make you a fish. You understand what I say? If you blink too hard, you're a batty man. You understand what I say? So, I just there to contribute my 2 cents. Yes, 2. Because someone even afraid to use a number. Weird, bro. And that's what I said. I'm just here to give my 2 cents and I'm just there to contribute to destroy the white culture. I'm not like white culture. Because the white culture left joke now to a reality. A far as reality. You understand what I say? I take it overboard now. But anyways, this is for the youth them Batty call upon the name so easy. What should you do if Batty call upon your name? Defend yourself, of course. If you know you're in a blood clot dwelling in a Batty and defend you, ask for proof. Ask for proof. You understand what I say? And don't defend yourself to the point where, like, you get physical or, you see me? Like, people are upset. You know what I'm saying? Look, he might go too hard. He look like him. You know, f that. Anybody with a blood clot, fuck your name, brother. Do anything when you want. Blood clot. Do you understand what I say? Don't get yourself in a trouble, though. I'm not advocating for violence, but I'm not going to sit here and talk like I'm going to be, you know what? I'm not a batty man. Like, no. No, I'm going to go on most way. You can't call batty for my name and think I eat that. You understand what I say? No, sir. So, remember, I did do one video, right? I did do one video. And I'm going to tell you this right now. Before that video there, I never hear no talks of me being a fish. I tell you that right now. Maybe one of them mumble and chat off in the mouth and area. But before the walkers would say, yo, walkers would taste nice. And that video they go viral. You remember that video there?
Nah, like, walkers would taste nice.
Batty boy!
Bomba blood clot. No, sir. I must batty man this.
Dog, a fuck cow, a fuck donkey, a fuck mouth, a fuck pussy, a fuck batty. What a dangerous rascal spirit wouldn't understand, you know.
Jamaica, please. Don't bother with no why. Listen, please. Listen, walkers would other. I'm just shut up, because I'm not going to say it's okay, it's alright. Why?
Yes, that same video go viral. They have some little tiki now. Yo, the boy Negusimara a fish. You my fish. Negusimara never swim in a batty hole yet, you know. But some me a fish. You understand what I say? And then 2-2's number read couple YouTube comment. Watch all them with him list tongue and the whole heap of S them. The man a fish. Read couple more comment. I stand up so with my hands stay so. Watch him mannerism. Him coming like gal a must fish. So you can be considered a batty man in the Jamaican culture without even fucking batty. At the say reach right now. In the Jamaican society, you are a fish. You can be a fish without fucking batty. When me I grew up in a batty, I feel dwelling in a suck hood, you know, as a man. If we considered as a batty man. That's why I know when time. That's why me. I say anything I want to say. When time I want to say it, or if I want to say it, because nobody know have my feelings in consideration. So when time I tell you to suck out your big stinking dead pussy mama, you understand me? I said, don't feel a type of way. I thought we were doing this for this. So if your name called Pambati, demand proof. That's a number one. That's a number one. Demand proof. If somebody call Batty by your name, demand proof. You understand what I say? Remember one time me and Trep getting a something. Same thing after the blood clot walkers would thing. She call me fish. Butter in my mouth. I don't even know what the fuck it means to have butter in your mouth. But anyway, I want to listen to this.
I say wait till tomorrow. I got this up your suck cat blood clot. You suck body more than me. Your deep throat body more than blood clot. You swallow bars like capsule more than me. Suck pussy boy.
Trep, I've never sucked a dick in my life or done anything with a man, Trep. Your mouth look like it stink.
Go suck your mother, suck pussy boy. Go suck out your mama. Name blood clot pad boy. Go suck your mother. Comes skirt alert in my body blood clot hole.
Okay, so you're trying to diss me about being a fish. Then you come tell me for skirt alert in your body hole. Then now you're going to suck pussy. So it's just a string of insults. Them people are right as a brother. People who move like this, them dunce. So when some people put Batty for your name, bad bro, demand proof. Me tell her, well, in this, but I told this funky stinking pussy bitch. Since me a blood clot man, find the proof. More the conversation them, picture with me and him, video, anything we can find. Even the whole, find a message. Just find one message. Find one message. Me dey on earth a long time. If me a really man, you must can find something. So people are trying to put Batty for your name, bad bro, demand proof. Can we continue?
Use nobody for true. A bounty killer should for tag, not you. Cause you try to be a man. You try to be bounty killer, he's not bounty killer. Anybody should be tag a bounty blood clot killer. Yeah, not you suck front.
Alright, so the reason why she said that is because our woman at the time, named Jomo, did use one of my audio them and never tagged me. You understand what I say? Some of us do it that video there and say, yo, the real fans know whose audio this is. That's all I'm put. Me never say you can't use my audio or if you tag me or whatever. So she take it upon herself to come inbox me now. Go continue.
I don't come in an argument with my Batty man. Cause remember you say man cocky taste nice. Now come in and no argument with me. Cause no straight man mouth not supposed to sleep. You one boy I see I walk with butter in your mouth. Butter in your blood clot mouth. Now you not an argument with me over that TikTok. Yeah, cause social media make all out the Batty blood clot jump. Remember your G-spot in your Batty hole.
Alright, so my G-spot is in my Batty hole. Who gives a fuck? It could have done on my big toe. May I use it? You done stinking pussy bitch. Yeah, me know the video all. But come on, Trep. You're nobody. You're beneath me. You're a piece of shit. You are the piece of shit to touch a breathe first when time I constipated and then no one near a toilet and if shit I rush out of my body. Are you that? So when time people put Batty for your name, suck pussy for your name, anything what you personally not like. Me don't know what brag up on your name, but whatever people are trying to put for your name, brother, ask for proof, bro. If you know you're innocent, just ask for proof. And you're gonna have to stop the talking. Because Trep, they are trying to recruit one man named Batman. Zane, and Batman company live. And I tell her, say, yo, stop arguing with straight man. Because if was really a Batman, Batman would have know, say, yo, yeah, man, I fingle me. But mama, there's no man fingling me, mama. Me not fingle a man, me not fuck the man not fuck me a babe. Yeah, man. Anytime people put Batty for your name, bad bro, demand proof. We're not in and not chatting no more. Me not 12. If somebody call me a Batty man, you think me gonna say, no, I'm not gay. Stop it. No, I'm not. You can't say that. I'm not. No. But I say, okay, bring a proof, bad bro. Cause if you bring a proof, me gonna shame. Me gonna shame now. Me gonna delete all of my Instagrams and the TikToks and the YouTubes and the Facebooks because I'm shame. The whole of Jamaica know say, if you bring the proof, the whole of Jamaica gonna know say the boy Negus a boy. So if Batty go for your name, demand proof. Demand proof. Because I realize something with enough of them boy, you know. Uno love call man Batman. And enough of the man them wanna call Batman, uno know say the man them can fuck with a girl. Uno know say the man them can fuck with a girl. Come on, no found a girl I road already. Me know that I'm busting in them mouth and then go somewhere and swallow it out. Some of them, I don't like the ones that spit. Mama, digest me. Digest me. You understand what I say? So, them have the idea of what it means to be a man totally incorrect because it's like if you now move like hyper masculine. Yo, dog, come boy, you're dead. If you now move like that, bro, you're gonna be considered a Batman, bro. Are you fishy? Are you wobble? Them people that dunce, brother. You know what make you a Batman? Fucking Batman. That's what make you a Batman. Zane? If you sleep with the same sex. So when time people them put Batty for your name, demand proof. Now, for all of the people them who want to style the Negus and say the Negus are fish, go and suck out your stinking mama. You understand what I say? Yeah, go suck your mama. If she dead, I'm glad. If your grandmother dead, them for dead. All of them. Go suck on no mama. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tell you this. I'm not afraid for blood clot people say, oh, niggas have fish. If a girl a style with my mama, you get cussing. I don't give a you a woman alone cuss. Me and a woman bad bro up. Me just kill your whole argument. Me and a blood clot woman. Me have a hood between my legs. I'm not make nobody. Man or woman this. Me go suck on a mama. Bright and blood clot face. So you just want man for just take anything we want to bring cross. No, so I make a destroyer too. Make a destroyer. Bright and blood clot face. You don't know so one nation and Imara nation. Make me know who know do if BATTY call for the name. You understand me? I say, up move. Hold on. I'm gonna turn down the sound effects right here. Make sure sound like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? I'm out.